What if you could write, animate, voice, and edit a complete 10-minute animated film using nothing but a single sentence? Sounds like a fantasy. Enter Invideo AI, a mind-blowing platform that lets you create professional quality animated stories using just one prompt. It's not just a video generator. It's an entire AI-powered production studio that writes the script, builds character arcs, creates visuals, adds music, sings voiceovers, and packages the whole thing like a seasoned film editor. You don't need any design, animation, or video editing skills to use it. To get started, head over to Invideo AI and create a free account. Once inside, make sure you are working with version 3.0, not 2.0. This is important. Version 3.0 gives you access to their generative AI content feature, which is what makes the one prompt, one movie magic possible. Without it, you are stuck with stock footage and limited customization. Now, inside the dashboard, click on Workflows and choose Animated Video. This opens up a project panel where you drop in your golden idea, the one-liner prompt that will become the foundation for your animation. Here is a solid example of good prompt. A teenage girl finds an old lighthouse journal filled with clues, leading her to uncover a long-lost family mystery. This kind of prompt works well because it includes a character, a setting, and a hook. Just enough narrative DNA for the AI to develop a story. After pasting in your prompt, be sure to tick the box that always says only use generated clips. This ensures the video is entirely AI created with no generic stock footage mixed in. Next, it's time to customize your story's tone and vibe. You'll get to choose from a library of music, emotional, inspirational, suspenseful, whatever fits the atmosphere of your story. Then select your voice actors. You can choose from a wide range of accents, emotional tones, and age ranges, from curious kids to wise old narrators. Once your selections are done, click Generate Video. Once you select all of it, click on Continue. Now here you're gonna find the details that you have set to generate your video. Hit Generate a Video option. Now it's gonna take 5 to 10 minutes. Until then, you'll need to wait. When your video is ready, it's time to edit. This is where Invideo really shows off. Everything is editable, just like you are the director of your own film. Want to tweak the script? Click the Script tab, change the dialogue, and the AI will automatically update the voiceover. Need to replace a scene? Click on it in the timeline. Type a new prompt, like the girl climbs the lighthouse at sunset, reading her grandfather's old journal, and Invideo regenerates the scene with perfect character and style continuity. You can also adjust scene lengths, swap music, and change spacing, all without needing any technical skills. Sound design is also built in. You can either upload your own audio or use story blocks, which comes integrated with the platform. If you need a specific sound, say waves crashing or door creaking, just type it in, and Invideo generates it. Want multiple characters to talk? No problem. Inside the settings panel, you can add more speakers, assign different voices, and control their delivery. This makes it easy to build dialogue-rich scenes without a voice acting crew. Once the story is polished to perfection, hit the download button, choose your preferred quality settings, and you have got a finished film ready to share on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, wherever your audience lives. And here's the kicker, Invideo AI is not just for stories. You can create ads, product explainers, or trailers just as easy. As for pricing, Invideo does offer a free version so you can test the waters. If you want access to generative features, you will need the generative plan, which runs at $96 per month. That gives you 15 minutes of generative content, which is actually quite generous when you consider how much is packed into each video. Remember, you are getting script writing, animation, voice acting, sound design, editing tools, and a publishing-ready product in one platform. No other tool right now does all that in one go. In short, if you have got stories in your head and no idea how to bring them to life, this might be the simplest and fastest way to make them real. With just a single prompt, you can go from idea to a fully animated, emotionally resonant film in under an hour. Following these steps, you can also try out to generate animated video. So that's all for this video. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.